Simplify. 7 plus the quantity 1 minus 3 squared minus 9 divided by 2 squared times 6. The order of operation tells us to simplify inside of parentheses first. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And then we still have the squared minus 9 divided by 2 squared times 6. Now we take care of exponents. So we have 7 plus negative 2 squared is 4, minus 9 divided by 2 squared, which is 4. Next, we take care of multiplication and division in the order it appears. So this would be 7 plus 4 minus 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4, so we have our minus, we could write as 9 over 4 and then times 6. The advantage here is we can now simplify this multiplication. We have 7 plus 4, and we can divide 4 by 2 and divide 6 by 2, which gives us 2 for the 4 and 3 for the 6. Multiplying 9 times 3, it's 27 divided by 2. We can change that to a decimal, 7 plus 4 minus 13.5. And now do the addition and subtraction from left to right. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 13.5 gives us negative 2.5.